talented 10-year-old who was born on August 19, 2014. He is the proud son of James William Stinson and Marisa Villafranca, and he resides in RCD Sabang, Batangas. Liam's favorite color is black, and he enjoys playing chess, which is his favorite sport. In his free time, he loves watching YouTube and playing outside with his friends. Seafood is his favorite food, and he cherishes traveling with his family. Aspiring to be both a pilot and an engineer when he grows up. Once again, from grade 5, Liam James Stinson.